What are you reading?
Casting papers.
What are you reading?
Casting papers.
Where do you need me?
I don't know. I need to know the distance between these hatches.
Like where the hatch, like the dirt line where the hatch comes down.
Yep, that's what I need is closed. So you know the closed? Are you at the closed?
I'm at the closed. You're not flat though, or straight.
230.
How far are you going to the
Go
end?
to the edge of the cam.
You're there.
Do you remember the number in between the two?
230.
230. Okay, let me do some math inside and then I'll be back up here to mark out the lines.
Oh my God, it's cold out here.
Almost that better. Hello, I'm Andy.
I'm Nancy.
Welcome back. It's a little bit colder here than when we installed these solar panels, but
Like 26 degrees this morning, 25 degrees, something
Yeah.
like that. Ugh.
but we're back in Minnesota. I don't know if I even need to tell you that. You can see that. And we're finally installing the solar panels we've been carrying around for over a year.
Yeah, it's been a long time coming.
Hope you enjoy.
There's a skinny panel, 3 wide panels. Skinny panel, 3 wide panels. Skinny panel, wide panel. This is them pushed really back as far as they can, really where they have to go. Right now the front of the panel is going to be even with what we're inside there.
I'm sure you can hear how loud the river is. I'm not sure you can hear anything Andy just said.
Looks like rain without the glasses too.
Yeah, really, yeah, it's definitely raining that way. I don't think it's coming this way, but I don't know what's on the other side of this mountain here, so.
Hello.
Hello.
Snuck up on me.
I just went down the river.
Worthwhile place to go sneak out to.
It is. Whew, look at all the mosquitoes.
They're here, huh? These are designed to be held with one bolt.
Huh.
And unfortunately, once you attach them with that bolt, there's not enough space to get in there. So once they're on the roof, you can't remove them. You can't get to this bolt.
Oh, you learned that with Steve's,
I
didn't
learned
you?
that with Steve's, yeah, because you couldn't hold the bolt on this side with the nut, whatever direction the nut and bolt was, it didn't matter. You weren't holding one and turning the other. So I'll be able to drill these rivets out and remove the panel if I have to get to the connection of the wiring or that.
Okay. Whew.
And then these will be riveted also to the roof because I like rivets over screws. These ones will be rivets made for a boat.
Ooh.
And they'll be waterproof.
Ooh, I felt a couple raindrops. Okay, now I am kind of swatting a little. Whew.
Yeah.
Ooh, raindrops.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh, like real raindrops. I'm gonna go inside, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, because that one's fully mounted there. So I think that this would be a...
I don't know if you can hear me because the river over there is awfully loud. Yesterday, Andy spent the day putting solar panels up on the one side of the roof, and tomorrow or today, if the weather holds out, it's gotten a little gray, but hopefully the other side will get done today. And then that empty space at the very back there behind Connor, behind those panels, is going to be a roof deck for us eventually.
Square with each other right now?
Ooh, I heard thunder. I told Connor if the lightning strikes, he needs to stand up tall next to me so it hits him instead of me.
Sounds fair.
He said I'd just get hit by the shock wave, so it wouldn't matter.
Probably true too. Okay, it's got to go towards the center of the bus.
Okay.
About
And I think it's got to go back just a hair.
back? Like,
Yes.
Like towards me?
Towards me. The back of the bus. A bit. Okay, I gotta push it a bit. Like that. Just a hair. That's
Okay, hey,
good.
pull it towards the center
that's
first.
right.
Then we'll worry about it. Okay, stop. Okay, do that again. It sprung back.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's just flexing the Z-clip.
Yep. Oh, yeah. So we have to. I'm gonna pop that hatch, kid. I'll be right back.
Okay.
I like those glasses. I'm not used to seeing you, and I'm usually wearing your clear ones, but I like those. They look nice.
Yeah, I thought I wanted to like switch between them. And I was like, well, hey Dad. Yeah. Okay, strike her off my hand.
You think? It might have been a little easier.
Where's the max going?
In the middle of that hatch.
Oh. Yeah, it might have been easier.
Might have been.
I think this is fairly square.
I'm fairly confident in your.
I'm not too certain. I'm certain, but you know, there's some areas of doubt. If this hadn't been sawn off, it would be a lot easier. I was realizing that. I'm like, if this was like 6 inches longer, I could more easily get
I
both
cut
sides
5.5 inches off or something.
You cut 4.5 inches
Okay.
off.
It wasn't up. So right now, these rivet holes, Connor, are square with the side of the bus here.
Okay.
And when I eyeball down here, I'm perfectly square there.
Okay, I'm like within a millimeter.
I agree. That's probably what we are. So let's
It's like some twisting, but if it's square there, then it's fine.
So what I'm gonna have to do now is I'm gonna have to push this in a little bit. But I see where I'm at, so I'll be good. Where's the drill? I'm riveting the L bracket onto the very top of this aluminum. I guess it's a gutter. I didn't want to do it down in the bottom because then as water would flow, it would stop at each of these brackets and...
Rusting.
What?
Or corrosion.
Well, it could rust, but you're going to have puddles, so every spot you have a rivet, you have a chance of a leak. So whereby having the rivets at the very top here, if they do leak, they shouldn't have much water on them.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can you move the back in just a little bit now? What do you think?
I got a raindrop on me.
It has to be moved forward, or towards the front of the bus.
Your side still has to go in though. Your side is out a little bit. It sprung back out. Yep, now that's square.
I've got raindrops.
Oh, you're gonna have to act as like a relay between you and Dad.
As a what?
Oh,
a relay?
You're gonna have to move tools between us
Until
because
you
I
get
can't get over
past the hatch?
Yeah.
You can close. No, you can't close the hatch till we get the back one done.
Yeah. There's that.
I can relay tools, just don't like. Oh yeah, that works.
Oh, already got it on me.
Okay. Ooh,
There's a
mosquitoes.
socket.
Okay. Yep, I got it. Ooh, rain's really coming.
We use the socket as a spacer. You know, it goes on top of the river, and then we hit the socket, and brings the rivet down. Rivet.
Socket? Oh yeah, rivet too. This drill bit must be bigger than the 1/4" drill bit I was using yesterday. It's a brand new drill bit, but I need the rivet gun.
Rivet gun.
This is the fun part.
Want me to hang on to the ladder?
No, the ladder isn't going anywhere.
It's a long, like, the last hit, you know, it's like bang.
It's me that's gonna get jumped off the ladder. The ladder's staying where it's at.
Yeah. The ladder was.
Okay, I'm gonna go in. That was.
Rivet gun.
Sorry about that. Yeah, it's right here. Okay.
Rivet gun?
I did not grab the rivet gun. I think Connor had it.
Did you grab the rivet gun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put it in my pocket.
Are you. Seriously?
What?
Hold that up. Where did that come from?
It came in my pocket.
That
Oh,
fit
looks
in
like
your
a phone
pocket.
bag.
And you had your phone in your pocket too.
He doesn't
Yeah.
have women's jeans.
Look at this. Like, is the camera pointed?
Yeah, the camera's pointed at you. Oh my lord. And most of my jeans won't even fit my phone in the front pocket, and you fit a rivet gun in your pocket.
Yeah.
The inequality of pockets in women's jeans versus men's
I'll be able
jeans
to
is
fit
just
my Nintendo
sad
Switch
and
in my
cruel.
pocket. Yeah, you really should get good pockets. You have cloth and a sewing machine.
Yes, I do, but I don't want to have to sew new pockets for all my clothes. Are you going up?
Yeah. I think, am I going up?
Someone is.
You gotta hold the hatch open so I can hand the thing up. Ooh, this is a full-size one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hang on.
Hurry, 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 hurry.